Hey guys, today I'm going to be telling you how to make a filter. So go to effect.youtube.maker and click new project. Then go to face effects, face paint, add paint, and then select the file you want to use or the image that you want to use, whatever way you like to put it. So I'm getting it here. It's loading, okay, and then you want to go and press the resize button right there. Then you're going to be able to, you can rotate it if you'd like. So you're going to resize it to about that size, and then you're going to bring it down to where the mouth on that filter matches up with the mouth that, like, you know, you're speaking, so you're not speaking out of the person's head or anything. And then you want to go to properties, and you're going to want to cover the eyes. Properties is on the right. You're going to want to click channel profile, which is, or whatever the file name is. You're going to want to cover eyes so it doesn't show your eyes in the back. And then you're going to, but we can see the person, but we don't want that. So we're going to go to body segment, we're going to add background, and we're going to add body and background. And then we can upload whatever you want, whether it's a black background or a pink background, whatever color you want, then it's going to be there. But you know how you can still see the guy, the backgrounds, it's like the black backgrounds behind him. We don't want that. So we're going to click body segment over here, which is the black screen. Then we're going to do I don't know what that says. We're just going to scroll it all the way down, and then you won't be able to see him. Now when you're basically, yeah, that's the preview, so it shows what it's going to look like on the screen. Then when you're done, you're going to want to go up here in the right corner, in the top right corner, and press submit. Then you're going to want to upload the image of, like, this is just going to be the cover. It's not going to affect what it looks like. Just like do the same thing, so it like kind of gives you, you know, a preview of it. Then you're going to continue. Then you're just going to, you know, name it whatever you want, just random stuff. Then you're going to do the description on what it does. Then you're going to change it to public. And then you're going to submit it, but I'm not going to submit it because I've already done it. Once you submit it, you will get an email telling you that it's uploaded, or that it's either approved or it's not approved. Anyway, that's all, guys. Thanks for watching.